got to be a better way. Hey, Sumo! What are you up to? I need your help. Yeah, what's up, mate? I'm here. I'm listening. What are you up to? You need a solution for something, don't you? I've got my tablet. I can't read it like flat on the table, mate. Can you help me make a tablet holder? You're pretty good with woodworking and all that sort of thing, aren't you? Here you go, mate. I've got your solution. Tablets, and I'll hold them. How's that sound? What are you talking about, you big guy? Tablets. Get into the modern times, Sumo. Crikey, I'm going to have to make this myself. I'm going to the shed, all right? You're no help. Oh, this is where he keeps his firewood. Going to have to pinch some off him, I think. This bit looks all right. It's not going to burn this bit. Tell him what. Where's he keep the key for this? Hey, Sumo, where's the keys? How am I supposed to start this? Hey, Sumo, that wasn't hard. You just need the key to get this thing going. And the rest is history, mate. You gotta look after your workshop a bit better, mate. Look at this. Built by Chris Sticker. It's coming off. Yeah, mate, you've done one cut. Whoopie-doo. How are you going to do a curve cut? You know what a curve cut is? And that sticker, well, I don't know. I didn't see it. It must have just happened. God, people complain about everything. Curve cutter? Don't worry, mate. I've been watching videos. I know how to do that. Tilt the blade and you feed it through a few times till you get the thickness right. Watch me do it. I want to change that sticker too. Something you haven't done. Chris the Builder. Wonder if he knows Bob the Builder. I reckon that's sufficient, mate. That's not a bad angle. What do you reckon? Whatever floats your boat, mate. Knock yourself out. You know what? I'm going to do a test cut on a bit of scrap. That's what they do on YouTube. Make sure the angle's right before I commence doing it on the good timber, the firewood. Try that. Oh, look at that, man. Hey, Sumo, practice cut was pretty easy there, mate. Suppose I just have to nudge it over on the fence. See, I know terminology now, mate. Whilst I'm at it, mate, I might as well make one for me dog and bone. Why not? Kill two stones with one bird. That's how they say. What can I say, mate? You're too good. For too long, you're going to be taking over this shed. Mate, you killed two birds with one stone, not two stones with one bird. Where'd you grow up? All right, I think I'm ready for this. Little dong on the safety gear.
Smoking!
Oh, Sumo. Look at this, mate. Holds up. Not bad, huh? Not bad for a novice. Hey, mate, just a quick question. I've got to cut this, you know. It's a bit long for a phone. How do I do that, mate, you know? And I want to put it's a bit sharp on the corners. I see you do stuff that eliminates you cut yourself. What machines do I use now? Oh, there's 4. Mate, you want to go over the chop saw, right? It's the perfect way to cut that down. And then you want to go to the router. Go to the chop saw first. And we'll see how we go after that, alright? Is this a chop saw? Don't look like a saw. I've seen you do stuff and chop stuff. Seems like an impossible feat. God, let me have a look at his workmanship. It's not bad. It's not bad for a guy who hasn't done this. Mate, the chop saw's over here. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. Come over here and we'll both have a look, alright? This is it here, mate. Look, watch this. All you got to do, put your wood there, measure it out, obviously, and give it a chop. That's why they call it a chop saw. Don't get your fingers in the way, alright? Can't replace them. Sumo, I marked it out, mate. I made it the right size for me phone. I'm going to do as you said. It looks easy. Then I'm going to go over to router 66, the highway to smoothness. Is this that router thing you're talking about? What am I going to do? What sort of edge do I put on here? Any recommendations? Mate, you can do a round over, you know, look a little circular, or you could do a chamfer. I'd go French if I was you, mate. Chamfer. It'll look good. Go for it, all right? Once again, don't cut yourself. No liability cover here. Chamfer. Getting a little bit worldly now, Sumo. That's my domain. I'm the traveller. You're the woodworker. Anyway, mate, take the edge off this. Start with the end grain first. So you watch YouTube. Not your channel, but I watch YouTube. Look at that, Sumo. From your firewood, mate. You're only going to burn this stuff, won't you? It's I made some good stuff here. It's going to last me. So it's just about finished, isn't it? Raid. One shot. Yeah. Yeah, mate, yeah. Yeah, you're nearly finished. I can see. But you've got to do the fun stuff as well. Bit of sanding. Put on a finish. Geez, mate, it's not rocket science. God. Yeah, I know, mate. One small step for mankind and one leap of faith. That's what they say, isn't it? Yuan pine natural wood polishing wax. Oh, it's not bad, is it? Sumo, hey, this stuff you apply to wood smells really good. Reckon you could have it with fish and chips or something? Just a question. Mate, I'm going to pretend I didn't hear that. What sort of statement is it? Fair dinkum. It goes better with a kebab. Everyone knows that. finished. I think I'm an artisan. Come up good, didn't it? Hey, what do you reckon my chances are? If I started making these and went to a market to sell them, I could make oodles of money, mate. That'd pay for my holidays. Might even take you. What do you reckon? I should be an instructor. I think this video went really well. I wonder if people watching it are going to say, bring Sumo's Apprentices back. Who knows? Good stuff, mate. Without doubt, you're going to make a killing. I see it in the stars. It's written in the wind. All the other stuff. Thanks for watching. So there you go, guys. Here's a little bit of a satirical look at fun you can have with your apprentice in the shop. You did a good job, and I must say I'm rather impressed. So for a first attempt, there's some good stuff going on. So if you like this little bit of a laugh and a good project to do, hit the subscribe and the notification bell. And if you had a bit of a laugh, perhaps you could share this video around, and I don't know, some people might get a laugh out of it as well. All right, till the next time, guys. Happy woodworking, happy DIYing, and I'll see you soon.